About this next piece of breaking news that we're getting on the broadcast. This one's coming in from the state of West Bengal. Now, West Bengal has formed a panel to review the new criminal laws. In fact, the governor's quote-unquote banana republic dig has also really come into play. West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose has urged Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to furnish an immediate report on the objectives of the 7-member committee to review the 3 new criminal laws that came into force on July 1st. Now, reacting to this move, the governor also took a dig at Mamata Banerjee and said that the state cannot be turned into a banana republic. My colleague Kamalika is joining us on the broadcast. But Kamalika, while we talk about the panel that is being made to review the 3 new criminal laws, first of all, let's talk about this tussle between the Chief Minister and the Governor. This refuses to die down. Even as, his plea has been accepted by the court, there is another issue where this verbal spat between the two is only going to continue.
Yeah, absolutely. The governor and the government, it seems like, the ruling party and the opposition party, the way the controversy, the fight, the war of words is going on. Now, this happens when Mamata Banerjee, she has always been opposing the BNS. She has requested the Prime Minister earlier to defer the implementation of BNS before it was implemented. Before, in the month of June, she wrote a letter that the day it was passed, a lot of MPs of the parliament, they were suspended. It's not been properly discussed, so to defer it. But after that, it was not deferred and the law is being implemented. Now, the state government has formed a 7 members committee who are going to review. The DG is there, the Commissioner of Police is there, former judge is there, Mamata Banerjee's counsel Sanjay Basu, he is there, and 2 ministers, Maulay Ghatok and Chandrima Bhattacharya is there, and they are going to give a report suggesting amendments. Now, this amendment suggestions will be passed in Bengal Legislative Assembly. That's what we are getting in sources, and that will be sent to the President. Now, the point is, on this, the governor has sought a report that how can such things happen. We will not allow a banana republic. The TMC will definitely react to that. But definitely, as far as BNS is concerned, Mamata Banerjee really trying to show that they are not going to, they are going to oppose. The law, though, already have been implemented, but they are not going to, they are going to keep the opposition stand. That is very clear, and we really have to see that when this amendment suggestion comes, what happens, what the governor does, and then it has to be sent to the president. Whether even if it's in the concurrence list, it's the center law which is always it has been already implemented. So amendment, whether it is possible or not, a lot of things will come, but definitely politically, Mamata Banerjee is trying to show that she is opposing the BNS come what may. And that's why this amendment committee has been formed. That's what we are getting it from the sources. On the other hand, the governor has started to report, and the governor is not going to also go back on this, terming this as a banana republic.
Right. Kamalika, thank you so much for all of those inputs. And on that note, we are slipping into a very short break and coming right back.